morning students, welcome to online science class, standard 8, unit number 8, universe and space science. In this session we are going to study about Indian space programs. So first, soon after independence, India initiated space research activities. In the year of 1969, Indian Space Research Organization ISRO was formed with the objective of developing space technology and its application for different needs of the nation. First, India is focusing on the satellite for communication and remote sensing, space transportation systems and application programs. The first ever satellite, Aryabhatta, was launched in the year 1975. Since then, India has achieved a lot in space programs equal to that of the developed nations. So, Chandrayaan 1. Our country launched a satellite Chandrayaan 1, that is the moon vehicle, on 22nd October 2008 to study about the moon. It was launched from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh, with the help of PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle rocket. It was put into the lunar orbit on 8th November 2008. The spacecraft was orbiting around the moon at a height of 100 km from the lunar surface. It has collected the chemical and the mineralogical and the geological information about the moon. This mission was a major boost for the Indian space program and helped to develop its own technology to explore the moon. Chandrayaan 1 was operated for 312 days and achieved 95% of its objectives. The scientists lost their information with the spacecraft on 28th August 2009. On the successful complete all the main objectives, the mission was concluded. So Chandrayaan, it was launched in the year of 2008, October 22. It was launched at which place? Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota with the help of PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. Okay. Let's see the objectives of Chandrayaan 1. So to find the possibility of water on the moon, to find the elements of matter on the moon, to search for the existence of helium-3, to make a three-dimensional atlas of the moon, to study about the evolution of the solar system. So these are now the objectives of Chandrayaan 1. So next, achievements of Chandrayaan 1. The discovery of presence of water molecules in the lunar soil. Chandrayaan 1 confirmed that the moon was completely molten once. Chandrayaan 1 has recorded images of the landing site of the US spacecraft Apollo 15 and Apollo 11. It has provided high-resolution spectral data on the mineralogical of the moon. The existence of the aluminum, magnesium and silicon were picked up by the X-ray camera. More than 40,000 images have been transmitted by the Chandrayaan 1 camera in 75 days. Chandrayaan 1 beamed back its first images of the moon in its entirety. Chandrayaan 1 has discovered large caves on the lunar surface that can act as a human shelter on the moon. Next, Mangalyaan. Mangalyaan means Mars vehicle. After the successful launch of Chandrayaan 1, ISRO planned an unmanned mission to Mars, that is Mars Orbiter mission, and launched a space vehicle on 5th November 2013 to orbit Mars. This probe was launched by the PSLV rocket from Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. Mars Orbiter mission is India's first interplanetary mission. By launching Mangalyaan, ISRO became the fourth space agency to reach Mars. Mangalyaan probe travelled for about a month in Earth's orbit and then it was moved to the orbit of Mars by a series of projections. It was successfully planned in the Mars orbit on 24th September 2014. So Mars Orbiter mission, it is also called as MOM, successfully completed a period of 3 years in the Martian orbit and continues to work as expected. ISRO has released the scientific data received from the Mangalyaan in the past 2 years up to September 2016. So next, objectives of Mangalyaan. To develop the technology required for interplanetary mission to explore the surface of Mars, to study the constituents of the atmosphere of Mars, to provide information about the future possibility of life and the past existence of life on the planet. And next, Chandrayaan 2. ISRO has currently launched a follow-on mission to Chandrayaan 1 named as Chandrayaan 2 on 22nd July 2019. Chandrayaan 2 mission is highly complex mission compared to previous missions of ISRO. It brought together an orbiter, lander and a rover. It aims to explore south pole of the moon because the surface area of the south pole remains in shadow much larger than that of a north pole. So first one, orbiter. It revolves around the moon and it is capable of communicating with the Indian Deep Space Network, that is ID, at Bailu, the Vikram lander. So lander, it is named as Vikram in the memory of Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, the father of Indian space program. So next, rover. It is a 6-wheeled robotic vehicle named as a Pragyan. That is a Sanskrit word that means wisdom. Chandrayaan 2 was successfully inserted into the lunar orbit on 20th August 2019. In the final stage of the mission, just 2.1 kilometer above the lunar surface, lander Vikram lost its communication with the ground station on 7th September 2019. But the orbiter continues its work successfully. So look at the picture. This is the Vikram lander. Okay students, let's recap today's session. So ISRO means Indian Space Research Organization. It is formed in the year of 1969. Okay. And next, Chandrayaan 1. It was launched in the year 22nd October 2008. So next, Mangalyaan. Mangalyaan was launched in the year 5th November 2013. And next, finally, Chandrayaan 2. Chandrayaan 2 was launched on 22nd July 2019. Okay. So today's homework is, what are the achievements of Chandrayaan 1? Okay, what are the achievements of Chandrayaan 1? Write this detail in your notebook. Okay, write neatly. Thank you.